A common question that I get is, can the IRS file taxes for me? Let's talk about it. Did you know that if you don't file your tax returns, the IRS can file one for you, and it probably won't be in your favor? These are called substitute for returns, and they can make your tax situation much worse than it needs to be. Let me explain what they are, why they're such a problem, and how you can take control. First, what is a substitute for return, or SFR? If you don't file your tax return, the IRS can legally create one for you under Internal Revenue Code Section 6020B. They can use information they have, like your W-2s or your 1099s. But here's the catch. They don't include deductions, credits, or exemptions that could reduce your tax liability. The IRS files your return with the standard deduction only, often using the single filing status, even if it's not accurate. This can result in a tax liability much higher than what you would actually owe. On top of that, penalties and interest start piling up immediately, making your situation even worse. Now here's where it gets tricky. Having an SFR on file can stop you from resolving your tax issues. For example, if you want to set up an installment agreement or negotiate an offer in compromise, the IRS requires you to have all your tax returns filed. But an SFR doesn't count as a tax return because it wasn't filed by you. It's like being stuck in a limbo. You can't move forward until you fix it. Before we continue, please be sure to like and subscribe. And here's another big issue. Without a filed return, the IRS has an unlimited amount of time to assess your taxes. Normally, they have 3 years from the date you filed your return to review it. But if you don't file, the clock never starts ticking, leaving you exposed indefinitely. So what can you do if the IRS has filed an SFR for you? The good news is you can still take action. File your original tax return for the years as soon as possible. Include all your deductions and credits. This can often reduce your tax liability significantly. If the IRS has already processed the SFR, they'll adjust your account once they receive your returns. Filing your accurate return reopens the door to resolution options like payment plans, offers in compromise, or even penalty abatements. The key is to start quickly. Don't let an SFR keep you from resolving your tax debt. If you're unsure where to start, click on the link below to schedule a confidential consultation with me. Together, we'll replace your SFRs with accurate returns, explore your options, and get you back on track financially.